Hi there, it's Mark here from JobRelay, High-Rise Digital, and I wanted to just show you how to integrate Idibu once you have signed up for the JobRelay service. So here goes. So I've logged into my Idibu account and I'm here sat at the dashboard of my Idibu account, and the first thing you'll need to do is add the JobRelay job board onto your account. So on the left hand side, this is Idibu version 2. I'm going to go to the job boards and quotas section. And in here you get a few tabs. Any active job boards that you've got will be listed in here. We're going to go to the inactive subscriptions and then we're going to search for the JobRelay job board. And it pops up underneath in the search results. If I click on that, it should display below and then I can subscribe to that, that job board. So hit subscribe and then you get to the settings page. So there's some information on here that you can follow, but essentially you've got to add your login details, which when you signed up to JobRelay, these are available in your account. So I'm going to put the website URL that I'm sending the jobs to, my subscription ID and my license key in there. Now there's some different settings down here that you might want to choose depending on your setup, but I'll leave those to you. And then I'm going to click Save Settings. So that's going to save those connection details to JobRelay. So let's go and post an advert then to your JobRelay system, which is essentially going to post it to your website. So I'm going to click on Post an Ad. I'm going to choose the sector that I want to post it to, and I'm going to choose a location. I'm going to select the JobRelay job board as the destination. You could select multiple destinations here if you have other job boards. Continue to add in the actual job details. So here's where we write the details of the job. So this is a sample job title. We'll give it a reference number, a start date, that's fine. It's permanent full-time. We'll give it a salary range of 25,000 to 28,000 per year, plus car and laptop. Then we can put the job description in. I'm just going to put something really simple in. And obviously you've got settings there to make that markup a bit nicer there. Now these are the key things for the JobRelay board. If you've got other boards that you post into, you'll have other things in this section. They might be in a little section. This is the JobRelay section. So these job sectors are pulled from your website that you have supported. So on my site, I've got 3 sectors that supported. So I'm going to use the accountancy one. It's a full-time job and I don't want it to be a featured job when it arrives on the website. Continue to the review process. It has told me that I haven't chosen the person that wants to send it, which is me. So I'll just do that. Then it just gives you a quick summary of what's going to happen, which is fine. I can set the posting date here, sorry, the expiry date. So it's going to expire in 28 days after I've sent it. I can choose these different options. That's fine for me. And then post adverts. And that's then going to set up in the queue for Idibu to send that job out to the site. So if we go and log into the website itself. So what we can do is refresh this page. And there we go. The job's been posted, which is good. So all the details should be saved. If we just click on the job here, we can see that all of the data that we sent has been saved. So we've got the job description, accountancy, full-time. There's there's the location. We've got the website. We've got the expiry dates. We've got the salary, all there and successfully saved. And we can view that job on the website itself. Here's the job. Obviously, it's got not much information because we didn't put anything in, but it's all working and people can apply for it. So that's great. What else you can do is you can actually delete jobs from Idibu. So if we go into the Ad Manager. So if we want to delete a job, what we can do is we can select the job we've just sent here, the job we want to delete. It says it's been selected, and then the with selected drop down, we can choose archive and delete. And it just gives us a warning that you're about to delete this job on all the job boards. So we just click yes. And then it says one advert has been deleted, so that's now been removed. And if we go back to the website, into the job listing section, you can see it's gone. So that's how you can delete a job as well. So really simple setup for Idibu. You can get up and running really, really quickly with WordPress and Idibu using the JobRelay function. So hopefully that'll give you a good overview of how to get started with Idibu and JobRelay. Thanks.